So, my dear ones, today again we have a speaking session, and a very common topic that I am going to give you is that what happens when traffic rules are ignored. So simple topic. Where what happens when traffic rules are ignored, or what happens when we we means we all, when we don't follow traffic rules, what may happen that time? So very simple topic, very common topic,
So we
and
have to give names or not.
yes, you have to give your names in the mailbox, in the message box, and once again, I would like to ask you to listen the speaker so carefully so that you can have the ideas, so that you can improve your contents that you are about to speak. And for a good speaker, it is necessary to be a good listener also. Without improving your listening skills, you can't be a good speaker, because many times it would be necessary for you to understand what is being told. So, listening is very important. And again, I want to tell you one thing, that you must watch your performance. I don't know whether you follow my instruction or not regarding having a glance at your speaking or at your performance. But according to me, if you follow this, you will definitely improve yourselves. You will definitely improve, though your speaking is at a very high level, and I am proud of you, as well as myself also, because you fulfilled my desire. What is my desire? I wanted you to speak this way that you are performing. So, this is a great achievement and a great thing for you as well as for me. So, I think you are ready. Though I want to speak, but unfortunately, this is for you to speak, and very good. I'm happy, and I have also got some names. I think not some, but many names. Very good. So, first of all, I'm inviting Master Gaurav Bhau.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So, मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
yes.
So, hello everyone again, and I'm also here again to share your topic that if we broke traffic rules, if we break traffic rules, what will happen?
Break,
So,
not
first
break
of
is
all,
not break
Denise,
is not proper word.
if you violate traffic rules of India, what will happen? So, every Indian will say you will get a fine of some thousands of rupees,
Hmm.
like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You will get a fine or a punishment.
Hmm.
But it can be also dangerous, not just paying fine. You have to really pay fine for your life
Hmm.
if you violate the rules.
Hmm.
Like if you start your, if you go before the red light changes into green, so you can get hit by another car who is passing in front of you in the other side,
Hmm.
or you can create a jam for others. So it will create a problem for others, and you will get a fine also to making a jam
Shabash.
or creating a jam. Yeah.
Hmm.
And second, I think the second is hurting or injuring a presidential or a person crossing the road. So also you will get jail. It's confirmed
Hmm.
for for years and months, and you will also have to pay fine for it. So and also uh, you have to go to jail. These are 2 points, and you have injured a person crossing a road. Imagine that if the person was going to his home, his family was waiting for him, and also many other work was there, and you injured him, so you wasted his time.
Hmm.
So this is very bad, and also the third rule I will say that is going at high speed. You know that if we go at high speed beyond the speed limit, so you know that what will happen. Yes, and you know that you will get hit by a car, or your car will flip if there is a slippery road, or your car will be crashed at a building or a wall or the boundary of the uh, boundary of the road, or you will hit a person, and also you will have to pay for your car and also for your fine, and also if you get injured you have to also pay for your hospital bills,
Hmm.
and there are so
Hmm. Hmm.
and there are too many possibilities, even 100 to 1000 to 10,000 to lakhs.
Hmm.
There are so many possibilities of what can happen.
Hmm.
what what if your car just flies at the means there are some ramps at the construction site. What if you are going on high speed, what if your your car just flies over the ramp? So you will get severely injured, and also your car will be get injured or damaged,
Hmm.
and also some construction workers will also get injured,
Hmm.
and you have to pay fine for it.
Hmm.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I'm telling my views on the topic that is what happens when when we violate
Hmm.
traffic rules.
Shabash.
So we all know that traffic rules have a vital role in everyone's life because we know that as as we are developing the number of vehicles and technology in the field of transportation is also improving before in the past time we see that there are few vehicles and the vehicles that were at that time had a low speed, not more, but as the technology developed we find that there are a lot of vehicles there are a lot of vehicles that we see in our day to day life running and going from one place to another causing a lot of traffic jams, pollution, and etc. etc.
End car
And
accident running.
yes,
End
sir.
car
फिर
accident. हाँ.
yes, sir. etc. And but we see that in today's time we know that there are different types of vehicles. Some runs at slow speed, but not but humans do not stop here. They developed many vehicles that runs on high speed, and we know that these types of vehicles are becoming common, that run on high speed. And people and in these types of things, people run their vehicles on a high speed. And uh, and for these for running vehicle at high speed, there can be a lot of reasons. But if anyone is in hurry, he or she can drive his or her vehicle at high speed. But there are many cases in which people drives vehicle on high speed just to be cool, just to be cool in their friend circle, or in front of anyone. That is not good. And they breaks the limit of speed that is given by the
ब्रेक नहीं,
by the
cross.
okay, sir, they cross the limit of the traffic rules that are given by the government. And also by and not these types of cases we see in today's time. There are different cases by which in there are different cases which we see that that these are against traffic rules, like drunk and drive, and using mobile while driving, overtaking any vehicle on the wrong side, and and running vehicle at high speed, and not wearing helmet and seat belts,
शाबाश.
and not taking precautions while driving. So but these, and also a very important rule, that is following traffic lights. And uh, and I can give I can give a example that imagine that if you are going on a road, and after a minute you will see yourself on crossroad, but you do not give indicator. And if you want to turn to any side, so so if you do not give indicator, there will be a high chance of uh, there will be a high chance of sir भिड़ने को क्या बोलेंगे.
Collision.
Okay, there is a high chance of collision to any person next to you, or to any vehicle next to you. But if you give indicator, then there will be less chance of getting hit to anyone, because indicator is a sign, or is a type of indication that tells the person or the vehicle in front of you that you are turning this side. And so the person or the vehicle that is in front of you should stop. And uh, and uh, at last, I want to say that you should not violate traffic rules. You should follow them, because you should remember always that if you are traveling anywhere, your family is waiting for you at home. And at last, I want to say that while you are driving, there are the tools that you have to use, and that tools are the traffic rules. And in these matters, you should not excuse. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी वोकेबलरी, बहुत अच्छी यूज करने लगी है, शाबाश. और जैसे जैसे मैं बताता जाऊं, थोड़ा सा उनको ठीक करते जाओ, है ना, कुछ वर्ड्स को वो थोड़ा सा ठीक करते जाओ, फोकस रखो थोड़ा सा, मतलब ब्रेक भी नहीं हो तुम्हारा वो सिस्टम. जब मैं कुछ बताऊं तो उसको फोकस करके रखो कि मैंने कहाँ छोड़ा है, तो आप कंटिन्यू बोलते रहो सुनने के बाद मेरे जो करेक्शन में करवाऊं उसको. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा. हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit More, and today I'm going to express my views on the topic that if we violate the traffic rules, what may take place. So, first of all, we must keep it in our mind that rules are made for our safety and not for just to make fun of them. And those are made for public safety, so that there may be the low chances of accidents. and we may see that nowadays the streets are too busy to drive our vehicles, and we know very well that now there is too much crowd, and in the crowd traffic rules are very important to be followed, else if we won't follow them, then our vehicles may collide with each other and we may get serious injuries. And nowadays we may see that government has implemented many laws and rules and regulations while driving vehicles, and those must be followed by us so that we may be safe, and we may make ourselves able to stand in the society. And nowadays we may see that there are many people who try to show them that they are too cool, and in this way that make themselves fool by just making them think that they are cool. But all these activities may lead to serious accidents, and always while riding our vehicles, we must keep the safety measures which are made for our safety, and we must always keep it in our mind that our family members are always waiting for us to return from our workplace or anywhere else. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today I'm going to tell you what will happen. What will happen if you violate traffic rules. So, as we all know that traffic rules are made for our safety, made for safety and well-being. Because while we are traveling on the road, we have always in danger of in accidents and danger of losing our life. So, traffic rules are made to regulate these types of circumstances so that people can safely reach their homes and travel from one place to another. But as we can see nowadays, a lot of people violate traffic rules, and this is the dark reality of our India, that people wear helmet not for their safety, but for not giving traffic fees, that is we call challan. And in outer countries people wear helmet for their safety, but in India mostly people do not wear a helmet for their safety. So this understanding of the society should be changed, otherwise a lot of lives can be lost, and many families can face many difficulties like economic difficulties, because the most of our family leaders go out to earn livelihood for our family, and if they will not be there, then how our family would survive, and how will our country will grow. So first of all, the main the motive of the traffic rules is to regulate accidents, and as we know that accidents happen because of some misunderstanding and some circumstances, like some people drink and drive and drive in high music volume. That's why they are not able to listen the horns and don't see the indicators. That's why they fall into the accidents. So as we can see, our country will only improve if the lives of the people are saved. So the lives of the people are more superior. So that's why we should follow the traffic rules and never fall in any of the misunderstandings. And we can see that on the roads, most of the people who are not who are following traffic rules, but then also they face accidents, because it is not always our mistake. Sometimes we have to be more focused while driving. We should always be focused while driving on the road, and always think about our family members as they are waiting for us. That is it.
Shabash. Vipin.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is if you violate traffic rules. There are many types of traffic rules like light traffic light for green light green light for green light is for run, and yellow light is for slow run, and red light is for stop, no no parking and no horn and no left turn. No 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 parking. That's mean we we do not stand
Should
we do
not.
not stand
Should not.
our
Should not.
we, we should not stand our car in no parking.
Stand की जगह park. We should not park our vehicles or our cars at no parking zone. ऐसे बेटा आगे बोलो बेटा शाबाश घबराओ मत बोलो कोशिश करो बस हाँ
No horn. That's mean we तब बजाने को क्या कहेंगे
नो
सब बिलो
हाँ
no horn. That's mean we should not blow horn.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बोल 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 घबराए मत हाँ
Left turn. That's mean सर नहीं लेना चाहिए इसको क्या कहेंगे
we should not take turn
left turn. That's mean we should not take left turn.
हाँ बोल 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 घबरा मत सही गलत मत सोचे तू बोल अभी बस हाँ
No U-turn. That's mean we should not take U-turn.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश घबराए मत बिल्कुल बढ़िया है बोलता रह तू
There are many traffic rules. Zebra crossing. That's mean we should walk. We should walk.
walk
We should walk in on zebra crossing.
शाबाश शाबाश घबराए मत बिल्कुल हाँ चलता
That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं अब मेरी बात सुन करना क्या है तेरे को इसी टॉपिक पे तेरे को लिखना है ठीक है और टॉपिक को अच्छे से समझ ले क्या हो अगर हम ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो ना करें तो कल इसको लिखना है बेटा और वो शाम को 5 बजे वाली जो क्लास होगी उसमें एक बार आके इसको चेक करवा के चला जाना बेटा ठीक है बेटा यस अनु अनु
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My topic is traffic rules. If we follow it, I'm sorry, if we don't follow it, what happened?
हाँ शाबाश
So there are many traffic rules, but we don't follow it. What is the meaning of it? Like I give you one example. If we have many money but we do not spend it, what is the meaning
much
of
money many money नहीं much money हाँ
much money and we do not spend it? What is the meaning of it?
हम्म
But this is not the topic. The topic is what happened if we do not follow the traffic rules. We need the accident take place. Uh, uh, Suppose that if we do not follow one traffic rule and it do not happen, so we think that we can break traffic rules, but it is wrong. If it is not matlab, if it do not injure nahi, if we break traffic rule and it do not damage us, so it is your luck. Some bike riders mm, show their coolness, but it is not coolness. This is foolness.
क्या बेटा बहुत शाबाश वेरी गुड हाँ
Uh,
इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है ये पर ये अब आजकल थोड़ा रेगुलर हो जाए बस, और थोड़ा
Some auto
सेल्फ राइटिंग
some
चालू कर
auto
दो बस। हाँ बेटा,
some auto drivers also do it. They fast their auto, but they do not know how to run auto fast. Like that, do you know India is the country that follows every trend? Uh, and that trend is coming that one bike rider is hanging a cake and he सर छोड़ देने को क्या कहते हैं?
छोड़ देने को लीव भी होता है। अब तो कौन सा छोड़ देने की बात कर रही है?
हैंडल को छोड़ देने का।
हाँ,
लीव हैंडल्स एंड केक birthday cake. This is not birthday cake, it is that cake.
अरे ये तो पोएटिस हो गई है, तो है ये तो कवि बन गई हमारी छोटी सी कवियत्री हो गई। हाँ,
To say that who show their coolness, they show their foolness.
ये तो कविता लिखने लग गई यार अंग्रेजी में। शाबाश बेटा, थोड़ा सा सेल्फ राइटिंग चालू करो दोबारा से, और शाम को 5 बजे आके एक बार अपना सेल्फ वर्क चेक करवा दिया करो और फिर चले जाया करो। तो बस चालू करो बेटा सेल्फ वर्क अपना दोबारा, है ना? सेल्फ राइटिंग चालू करो बेटा अभी एक बार फिर से, है ना?
ठीक है।
बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो बेटा, आप तो कंटिन्यू रहना है और थोड़ा सा वापस अपनी फॉर्म में आ जाओ बेटा, है ना? हाँ, गुड, वेरी गुड बेटा। यस, नाउ हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is what will happen if we do not follow the traffic rules. First of all, what are traffic rules? Traffic rules are the rules made by the government, which are for our safety, and they are the rules which provides us the precautions that we can take to prevent the accidents. And as we know that accidents generally create losses, like loss of death, loss of life, loss of property, and many more things. We can also disturb the other persons who have no guilt, who have no fault in it, and they can also lose their life. So we should follow the traffic rules, and the traffic rules are of many types, like traffic rules that we should not drink and drive. We should only cross the roads on zebra crossing, from zebra crossing, red light, green light, etc. And these are mainly for our safety, but many people say that rules are made to be broken, and these are the people who believe in the unwanted things, like doing the things which are not appropriate, or other things, and they break the traffic rules, but they forget that there are many persons who care for them, and they love them, but they just want to create their aura and swag in front of other people, and they think that they are looking smart, but it will create the loss of their own life and the persons who are walking on the street. So in this way, we can say that there are many advantages of and traffic rules, and if we do not follow them, then they are then it is the person's fault who is not following it. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत तेज स्पीड हो गई है तुम्हारी, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। हाँ भैया, महाकाल भक्त, सब भक्ति भक्त।
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Kavisha. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch P20. Today's my topic is what will happen if we do not follow traffic rules. As we all know that we live in a society, and society made some rule for us. Traffic rules are one of them.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
We can see that when we drive any vehicle, we follow some rules. They are called traffic rules. We can see that there are lights on the सर चौराहे को क्या कहते हैं?
क्रॉस रोड्स।
there are lights on crossroads, and and police also says that uh, drive drive four wheeler by wearing seat belts, and drive two-wheeler by wearing
नहीं,
helmets.
बाइक की कोई जरूरत
We
नहीं है,
should.
यहाँ पर खाली वेयरिंग से काम चलेगा।
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
And 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 do not drive vehicle by drinking any drunk or drugs. If we drink, or if we do this, we can see that uh, many accidents take place in many accidents take place, and
शाबाश बेटा।
we can give our life.
हम्म,
We can give our life by these things. If we do not follow these rules, it can it can take our it can take our life, and we can go in hell.
you can go
So
to hell,
eh,
go to hell। हाँ हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बेटा।
so as we all know that is some persons are also waiting for us in our homes, and we should also care of them. But sometimes some of us want to become cool, and create aura in front of people, so they do many stunts and do not follow the traffic rules. So that's why a lot of a lot of accidents take place.
शाबाश।
So in my view, we should in my view we should follow traffic rules. um, we should follow traffic rules and care about the person who are waiting for us in our home. Yes, so that's it.
शाबाश यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया है। वेरी गुड यार, नाइस इंप्रूवमेंट, कीप इट अप बेटा। कौन सी क्लास में आ गया बेटा अब तो? 9th में?
8th में आ गया सर.
अच्छा, तो पहले 9th में था ना?
अरे नहीं सर, पहले 7th में था, अब 8th में आ गया.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा पहले 9th में था। तो ये तो उल्टा मामला हो गया, 8th में कैसे आ गया? अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं। शाबाश बेटा, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, वेरी गुड। अनुज।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is what happens if traffic rules are ignored and if we violate them. So we live in India, and India is the most populated country of the world, and we cover 17.8% of area of the world where human live. And in our country, everywhere is crowd, everywhere there is rush, and a lot of people use vehicles who live in cities, and the vehicles make crowd, and that makes traffic jams. And there are some traffic rules for them, that how should they drive, and what are the basic things that should be kept in the mind while driving or riding. There are several rules of traffic rules, but easy they are, because they are, and if they are ignored, you are disappeared from the surface.
यार कहाँ से लाते हो यार? यही तो सुनना चाहता हूँ, यही तो ना जो है मन में बोलो यार। This is true speaking of English. Yes.
Yes, sir. And getting an accident is all the game of your doings. That what meeting any accident is all the meeting an accident.
एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया, एन एक्सीडेंट टुक प्लेस कर सकते हो आप, लेकिन यहाँ पर वो भी अपन एक्सीडेंट हो जाना तो मीट आई मैट विद एन एक्सीडेंट का मतलब एक्सीडेंट से मिला नहीं मैं, मेरा हो गया। आगे बोलो. Hmm.
Is all the game of your doings, what have you done just and what you are getting now.
Hmm. Yes.
And there are some traffic rules that are following. There are signals, traffic signals that tells us while stop, when to go, when to be ready.
Very good.
And there are some like equipments that while riding we should wear helmet, and while driving we should have seat belt on our chest to
चेस्ट की
keep
क्या जरूरत है, सीट बेल्ट तो वहीं आएगी ना, इट इज
okay,
अंडरस्टूड.
sir. Yes,
हाँ.
sir. Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप. होता है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बोलो आप. ऐसे नहीं होगा तो फिर हंसेंगे कैसे हम लोग, फिर ये वो बताओ तुम. यस, कम ऑन.
Yes, sir. And there are, and in India the traffic rules are getting stricter. There are cameras on the roads that captures the if someone is over speeding, so they are charged online.
Very good.
And they are charged, and they have to pay the charge within the given time. If the time is out, they are charged upon the charge.
Penalty. Penalty. It is called penalty.
Yes, sir.
Upon the fine. Penalty upon the, if you don't pay on time, you will be fined more, मतलब by giving a penalty. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
Mother had got a charge of overspeeding in Jaipur. That was about 60 kilometer per hour.
No, 40 kilometers for two-wheelers and
Yes,
60
sir.
kilometers for four-wheelers.
Yes, sir.
In city.
Yes, sir.
On highways,
And
100 kilometer, 80 kilometer and 120 kilometer. Yes, carry on.
and I read somewhere that arriving better arriving late than never. And always leave sooner, drive slower, and live longer. That's it.
Very good, यार. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Karan and I am the student of Number Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today our topic is if we ignore traffic rules then what will happen, and we all know that what will happen, and so today we are concerned on this topic, and we all know that traffic rules are very important for our safety, so we should follow and we should follow traffic rules in our daily life. And we all know that we live in India and there is a lot of population in India, so we have much traffic on roads and
शाबाश बेटा.
streets,
हाँ बेटा.
etc.
Very good.
And we all know that we have a lot of population, so we also have a lot of vehicles. Like we can see that if we have a big family, so we can see that in the family members, all family in a person have in a person have two and three vehicles. So we can see that in a big family there are many vehicles in a family, so we can see that there are a lot of vehicles in our India. And we all know that vehicles are very important to go to our workplace and here and there to our work, some urgent work also. But we all know that traffic rules are very important to safety to save our life.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good बेटा.
If we don't follow traffic rules, so we get injured, and if we don't get injured, then सर सामने वाले को क्या बोलेंगे?
The person before us.
Yes, sir. The person before us also injured if our save. So we should also follow traffic rules for us and our family and our mm, our in front of our person. And we all know that we all know that there are most of the children who drive their vehicles, uh, uh, although they have no license,
Shabash.
because they underage, so they are also make our, so they don't follow our traffic rules for become his aura, and for their, and also their speed riding is, their riding speed is very high
Hmm.
on the roads. And we all know that uh, in the generation we have many electric and technology things like earbuds, etc. So people use it on the roads while driving. So
Hmm.
it also become a traffic rules again, and it is not used while driving and riding. So it is not good for us. And we all know that if we don't follow traffic rules, our proper damage, uh, we can damage to our property and our body also.
Hmm.
And we also, in if we don't follow traffic rules, we increase uh, road damage and anger issues, etc.
Hmm.
And also we can see that if a person on the road make traffic, so all people rebuke him. And that time there is a, सर माहौल को क्या बोलेंगे?
Environment.
Yes, sir. There is a environment like a quarrel, so it is not good for our environment and our children, etc. And so we should follow traffic rules, and we should save our life. If we don't follow traffic rules, we can injure others and also us. And we should
Ourselves.
pay many,
Ourselves. Us नहीं, ourselves. हाँ, बोलो आगे बोलो.
we should we should pay many big uh, uh,
Penalty.
yes sir,
शुड नहीं
penalty.
आएगा यहाँ पर.
And even
We
we,
have to pay. हाँ,
yes
आगे
sir,
बोलो.
we have to pay many penalties.
मच
And
penalty.
even we we can go to jail many times. And
Hmm.
like we have to, that time there is a situation, then we have to license suspensions, and we have our vehicles uh, damage issues, etc. So
Hmm.
we should follow traffic rules. But we can see that if there is a much crowd and traffic on our roads, so our government see it, and they take many actions. So they provide us many different types of facilities like metro facility, and also train facility.
Hmm.
And it is good for us, and we should follow traffic rules, and we should save our self life and others also.
Our
That's
self life नहीं, our life. या
okay, sir.
ourselves भी आप कर सकते हो लाइफ की जगह.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. बस जो चीजें बताई जा रही हैं उनको थोड़ा फोकस करो. हाँ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi, and today I'm telling about if we don't obey the traffic rules, what will be happen?
Hmm.
You know that traffic rules are very important because they are essential for preventing accidents,
शाबाश. हाँ.
and you can see that some people drive their vehicles at very high speed, and they harm the other peoples, uh, and they also harm to ourselves, and
They also harm themselves.
themselves, sorry,
They are ना बेटा उधर, हाँ
they
बोलो कोई बात
also
नहीं, हाँ.
themselves, and you can see our government makes strict rules, like if we driving the if we driving, yeah, riding any bike or car, we should wear helmet and seat belt, and we should not use the mobile phone while we driving,
Hmm.
and we should not drink,
Hmm.
and we should not smoke while we driving or riding car or bike, and if nobody obeys the traffic rule on the road, it will lead to the increasing of accidents,
Hmm.
and
It
number of
will,
accidents.
it will increase the number of accidents, huh?
It will increase the number of accidents,
Hmm.
and etc. And we should follow the traffic rules, and if there is a red light, we should stop our vehicle,
Hmm.
and we should not cross it,
Hmm.
and and um and suppose you go with your family, uh, in a hu- suppose you go with your family in a
हाँ.
highway, so we
On a
should
highway, on a highway, on आएगा ना बेटा, हाँ.
on a highway, so we should run our vehicle at a 120-kilometer speed,
Below,
and
below 120 kilometer, below 120 kilometer, पागल. 120 तो हाईएस्ट है बेटा, और वो भी एक्सप्रेस वेज पे होती है. नेशनल हाईवेज पे 100 की या 80 किलोमीटर की स्पीड होती है, एक्सप्रेस वेज पे 120 किलोमीटर की होती है. बोल बेटा, आगे बोल, शाबाश बोल, घबराए मत तू, ऐसे सीखोगे, बोल.
actually I was confused. So
यू आर कंफ्यूज. मैंने बोल दिया तो कंफ्यूज हो गई, ये तो मैंने कहा था कि मैं बोलूं तो भी फोकस करके रखो. कोई बात नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही थी, मैंने बोल दिया बीच में, पर मुझे बोलना जरूरी था ना बेटा, वो गलत आ रहा था वहां पे. हाँ बोल बेटा.
so at last we should follow the traffic rules,
एट
and
लास्ट क्यों? एट लास्ट क्यों नहीं, एट लास्ट क्यों? वी शुड फॉलो ट्रैफिक रूल्स फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग, नॉट एट लास्ट. समझ गए मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ? तो आपको क्या कहना चाहिए था? एट लास्ट आई वांट टू से दैट.
at last I want to say we should follow the traffic rules.
शुड आना
That's
चाहिए,
it,
मस्ट
sir.
आना चाहिए?
We should
शुड आना चाहिए, मस्ट आना चाहिए?
करना चाहिए पालन.
पालन करना चाहिए. तो जरूरी है क्या? शुड का मतलब तो जरूरी नहीं है, मस्ट का मतलब जरूरी हो जाएगा. आप बताओ, मस्ट आना चाहिए कि शुड आना चाहिए?
We must.
या बस ऐसे. वेरी गुड. हाँ बेटा, हो गया कुछ
Yes,
और?
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया,
Yes, sir. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. अब मैं एक बात कहूंगा तुम लोगों को, बाद में बताऊंगा, जो मैंने फील करता हूं मैं रोजाना, है ना. आपके रिगार्डिंग ये मेरी बात नहीं है, आपकी बात है. लक्ष्मी,
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Puja. Today our topic is when when we when we violate traffic rules.
वॉलेट,
What will
वॉलेट, वॉलेट.
violate
हाँ.
violate traffic rules? What will be happened? And I think that there may be some circumstances
शाबाश.
like that a ambulance break traffic rule to save the patient life, and there are many
ब्रेक नहीं, वॉलेट.
violate. Yes,
ट्रैफिक
sir.
रूल को तोड़ा नहीं जाता है, उसका उल्लंघन किया जाता है. तोड़ना तो ऐसे हो गया उसको.
Yes,
उसको
sir.
हम उल्लंघन करते हैं, कोई भी नियम है वो फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, मतलब हम उसको वायलेट कर रहे हैं, वो वायलेट आना चाहिए वहां पर, वर्ड है ना, या
Yes,
फिर
sir.
इग्नोर कर सकते हो आप। आगे बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. People violate traffic rule for many reasons, like hurry and stress, and and hurry and stress, and lacking of understanding, etc.
शाबाश।
And the main reason is that the main reason is traffic jam. Due to traffic jam, people take shortcut
शाबाश।
to avoid traffic jam, and they don't want to stop in traffic jam, and they want to reach their office in on fixed time.
हाँ, तो ऑफिस की जगह आपका
And
डेस्टिनेशन बोल सकते हैं हम,
okay, sir.
सबके लिए आ
And
जाएगा वो
in
डेस्टिनेशन।
India,
हाँ बोलो बेटा। हाँ
And in India, there are many narrow roads. Due to narrow roads, many accidents happened, and nowadays many highway are being made by government to less traffic jam,
बीइंग
and
बीइंग आएगा वहां, ब्रिंग नहीं, बीइंग मेड। हाँ आगे बोलो।
yes, sir. And population is a major problem because because every because all people want to their own vehicles to drive them, and traffic jam waste fuel and time, so people 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 ignore the traffic rules, and traffic rules are made by government, but no one follow them,
फॉलोअर्स।
and yes, sir. And some people show their coolness to other persons, so they they bro- they ignore traffic rules, and and do and ignoring traffic rules, there there may happen accident, and they can lose their life, and we should follow traffic rules in every situation. That's it, sir.
ना बहुत बढ़िया यार, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया यार, वेरी गुड। यस, आजा बेटा, आजल आजा।
Yes.
आजा बेटा।
Hello everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today, our topic is what will happen if we don't follow traffic rules. So, as we all know that India is the biggest country, and there is so many high population in India, and due to there's so many vehicles, and by which and mm, mm, there are so many accidents are take there are so many accidents take place, and uh, and and our government make many rules for drive vehicle carefully, and 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 many people don't follow traffic rules, and many accidents take place, and it is a
बेटा वर्क फ्रॉम पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, EJMR पे थोड़ा ध्यान दो। आगे जी बोलो, आगे बोलो, बस थोड़ा सा फोकस कर लो, आ जाओ। हाँ
okay, sir. and government make traffic rules. Or government make many for us and drive our vehicles carefully and we can see that nowadays many people don't follow traffic rules and uh, they show their coolness and they don't follow traffic rules and like they don't wear helmet and they drink and driving and they drive their vehicles at very high speed and uh, this is a very big problem and we can see that nowadays many youths and kids drive vehicles without license
Shabash.
and
Hmm.
it's very big problem nowadays because many and because the youth show their coolness and drive vehicles fast and it is and they can't and they don't understand that this is not their loss uh, but also they not only their loss but also others because by which they drive vehicles fast and they lost their
Lose.
own and
Lose.
other
Huh. Huh.
their loss and others and they not only lose their and others they also lose their property and they pay they have to pay fine for it and also many people
Hmm.
traffic rules are we must understand that traffic rules are for our safety and we must follow them and we don't break them and
Should not violate them. Huh.
yes sir.
Should not violate them.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We should not violate them, and we should we. And at last, I want to say that if we want to save our life, we must follow traffic rules, and we and we we understand. We should understand that if we don't follow traffic rules, we uh, we we maybe harm ourselves and other selves and that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड बेटा. छोटी मोटी कमियां हैं, कोई खास बात नहीं है. वो तो मैं भी बोलूंगा तो मेरे भी निकल जाती है. कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, बस ऐसे ही बिंदास बोला करो बेटा, है ना बेटा. सिमरन दिख रही है क्या किसी को? दिख गई? हाँ भाई सिमरन
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा.
Hello, I am Simran, and today I am telling
सर
about.
इनका तो नाम बाद में है.
हाँ यार तो कोई बात नहीं है, बोलने दे. खुशी का नाम था, वो थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो गया. कोई बात नहीं, खुशी से बुलवाएंगे. बोल बेटा सिमरन बोल.
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Today's topic: when we don't follow traffic rule, then what uh, what is happening
What happens? हाँ बोलो बोलो.
happens. You know that India is large country, so there many people lives. So mm, when we drive any vehicles, so we should follow traffic rules, and when we go anywhere, when we should we should understand any some traffic rules, like we always walk left side, and
Please show model use करो बेटा यहाँ पर.
we should walk always left side, and when we drive any vehicles, when we saw red light, when we should stop, and the, when we saw yellow, we saw green light, when we start our vehicles, and that many people drive many people drive some people drive vehicles high speed, and they think driving is to impress their personality, but it's not good, and they also try make to cool, but it is not good, and when we want to save our life, we, s- uh, we should follow traffic rules. That's it.
शाबाश. Very good बेटा. अब आ जा बेटा. सॉरी बेटा, बाय मिस्टेक हो गया बेटा, है ना. मुझे लगा हो गया, 2 ही रह गए बस, तो वो चक्कर में उनका काजल के पास सिमरन, और मैंने निशान लगा रखा था देख फोन में तेरे नाम पे, लेकिन हो गया बेटा, है ना. कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा, आ जा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Kishi Gujar. I am telling about what if you don't follow traffic rules, what will be happen. As you know that a lot of population have increased in India. So
हैव या
a
हैज
lot
बेटा,
of
क्या बोला था बेटा, हैव बोला था, हैज बोला था,
have बोला था.
हैज आएगा ना बेटा. पॉपुलेशन इज अनकाउंटेबल.
Okay sir,
आगे बोल,
मुझे पता.
कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा.
So a lot of vehicles are increased day by day.
आज आर इंक्रीजिंग.
Okay, are increasing day by day.
फोकस कर ले थोड़ा
We
सा.
can see that separate vehicles for father, mother, etc. Because most of the house has 3-4 vehicles.
हाउसेस.
Yes sir, houses.
हाँ.
All people are in hurry.
हरी, हरी नहीं, हरी.
Hurry.
हाँ.
Okay sir. So they don't follow traffic rules, ignore signals, accidents are caused by human error
शाबाश.
and carelessness, and don't follow traffic rules, and etc. And sometime people show their coolness on the road. So accident happen. there are a lot of reason of accidents happen, like high speed and drinking and while driving not wearing seat belt and helmet and uh, listening songs radio and poor vehicles and roads conditions, not only traffic rules, not only following traffic rules. So there are a lot of reason.
हाँ ठीक है बेटा.
We can see that sometimes people are people are in stress and anxiety,
हाँ.
so they don't focus on driving, and this is the biggest reason of accident. And so at last we should follow traffic rules, and we should wear helmet and seat belt, and we should not drive our vehicles in high speedily.
हाँ. इन हाई नहीं, हाई स्पीडली कर दो, बस इनकी जरूरत नहीं, स्पीडली बात है. हाँ.
And we should remain positive in all time, in every time. That's it.
शाबाश. अच्छा बोलती है, ऐसा बुरा समूह क्यों बनाती है फिर? हैं? अच्छा बोलती है, बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है, फिर क्या है? सब चीजें बेटा सब हो जाती है ना यहाँ. कभी भी ऐसे नेगेटिविटी नहीं आनी चाहिए अपने अंदर. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.